Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be looking at the problem of to display sum of all the digits of a given number that is entered by the user. So before diving into the solution, let us look at what we will approach and what is the problem statement actual. So sum of digits of a number that is n is equal to 52 and the sum of digits is 5 plus 2 that is 7. Again, n is 127, that is 1 plus 2 plus 7 is 10. Again, n equal to 105, that is 1 plus 0 plus 5, that is 6. So what we will be doing, that is we have been given a number that is 1, 2, 7, right? We will be finding each and every digits and we will be adding to it. So how we will, the main logic lies how to find the each and every digits. As I have discussed in one of our video how to reverse a number, we have used the modular operation while the number is not equal to 0, right? So here also we will be applying the same logic, that is we will be using a while loop until n is not equal to 0, and we will be finding the modular and we will find the sum and we will divide it until n is not equal to 0. See, the logic goes like n equal to 127, we will modular with 10. 10, that is 120, that is the remainder is 7. So sum is initially will be 0, 0 plus 7, that is 7. Now 12 is left from 127. We will again divide it until it is not equal to 0. So we will add the remainder 2 to it. Now 1 is left, 1 we will put and we will divide it 10. So the remainder is 1. So 1 will be coming here and 9 plus 1 is 10. So the number has become 0 and the condition is false. 0 is not equal to 0. Condition is false. So the control will come out of the loop and it will return 10. It has got 10 only. So the sum is 10. Let us look at the code, how we will coding it. Let us give the input 10, right? It's fine. So the next input we can give 105. It should give 6. So that's working fine. Let us give an 4-digit input. That is now it's working fine, totally fine. Yeah. So yeah, here is the logic. Let me explain once again in depth. Here is the number that is 127. We have used a while loop. Let me first write the logic, then I will be explaining line by line. So yeah, initially n we will 127, and it will check if 127 not equal to 0 condition is true, then the control will be coming inside the while loop. So it will check n modular 10. So it will perform n modular 10. So modular means remainder, and that is 127 modular 10. So the modular we get 7. So next it will come to this line. It will see sum equal to sum plus remainder. So initially sum will be 0 plus remainder. What is the remainder we got in earlier step? That is 7. Yes, 7. And it will again come here. It will do n equal to n by 10. What is by 10? Quotient. So quotient we got only while finding the modular, that is 12. So now the updated value of n will be 12. Again it will come up and check is n not equal to 0, that is 12 not equal to 0. Condition is true. Again it will come and it will do remainder modular 10, that is 12 modular 10. It will return the modular as 2. So we will add sum equal to sum plus n, that is sum in updated value of sum is 7 plus remainder. Now the updated value of remainder is 2. So it will do the operation, and it is n by 10, that is the quotient we got while finding the remainder in the second step is 1. So 9 plus 1 is uh, sorry, we got the updated value of n as 1. So again it will go up and it will check is 1 not equal to 0. So the condition is true. Again it will come inside the while loop and it will again perform 1 mod of 10, that is 1 mod of 10. So the remainder is 1. So it will again do the summation sum, that is 9 plus the new remainder updated value remainder is 1, that is 10, n by 10. So by quotient we found by finding the remainder in the third step was 0, right? So now the updated value of n will be 0. Now from here we can see it will go again up and it will check is 0 not equal to 0. Here the execution stops because the condition is false. 0 is not equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. So the control will come outside of the while loop and it will return the value of sum, that is here 10. So n equal to 127, sum is 1 plus 2 plus 7, that is 10. So in this way we will finding the sum of digits, and also to reverse the digits, the logic is almost same, only the slight modification we have to do, and that I have explained in my earlier video. I will also put the link in the description. You can check out that video and then you can come in this video to solve this problem. Thank you.